Today I'm making a hanger steak right outside on my charcoal grill. Did you think I was going to say skillet or griddle? I'm going outside. So meet me outside when I'm... You said hanger steak. Did I say hanger? Yes. Damn. It's not a hanger steak, guys. I'm making a flat iron steak. I don't know why. I keep saying hanger steak. Anyway, meet you outside.
Hey guys, getting right into this week's video, but first, if you missed last week's video for these delicious baby back ribs, watch this one and then go back and check it out, because this week I'm making a flat iron steak salad with my homemade chimichurri dressing made with arugula. Yes. Okay, listen, that was a mouthful. I'm not going to hold you. Here's the video. Hey guys, it's me, Adrianne, getting right into this week's video because today I'm going to show you how I make these delicious, quick and easy, I want to say hanger steaks, and it's not hanger steak, it is flat iron steaks. I don't know, I've been saying it all day. How I make these quick and easy, delicious, flat iron steaks. I don't know, it's a complete mental block, but I'm going to show you how to make these delicious steaks. So I'm going to point you down and show you how we're going to marinate them. So hold tight. All right guys, so I have our hanger. I don't know guys. So I have our flat iron steaks already in, ready to go, and we're going to start seasoning. All right, so I have some pink salt here, and that's going to go right in. And you want to season liberally because these are some nice sized steaks we have here. Going in with a little onion powder. All right. Then I have some Sassan Tropical. I'm going to pour a little bit of that in there. It's going to give some excellent color as well as flavor. I have some ground ginger. And that's going to give a little kick of heat too with that ginger, especially the ground ginger. So you want to be a little careful of that and not go too heavy with the ground ginger. A little black pepper. Let me show you that. A little black pepper. And have some fat spices, rock and rib rub. Yes, just a little bit of that. And just for some herby notes, I have some herbs de Provence. I'm just going to add a little of that. And this is a beef and pork seasoning. It's a grinder. Not too much of this because it already has salt in it. So that's about as much as I'm going to add of that. Here on the side, I have a little chopped shallot. So I'm just going to put a handful of that in there. And just 2 cloves of garlic. All right. So this is our rub. And I'm just going to seal this up. Like that. And you're just going to get them all coated in your bag. Okay guys, so these have already been sitting out before I added the seasoning about an hour. And I'm going to let them marinate with our dry rub and olive oil for about another hour, and then they'll go straight to the grill. So the next time you see me, we'll be at the grill. All right. Okay, before we get to the grill, I had to show you the chimichurri dressing I just made. This is so delicious. Guys, this dressing is so good. It looks like it has cream in it. Look at this. It's amazing. It's going to go great on the beef. It goes great with shrimp. So I just had to show you this. I'm going to do a separate, very short video on how I made it, but that's coming up. Now, these steaks are ready for the grill. You can tell my grill is nice and hot. The coals are nice and white. You want to make sure that they are piping hot and ready to go. So a coal grill, no, because we're going to do about 6 to 8 minutes per side. That's going to give us a medium cook on these ribs, nice pink center. That's exactly what you want. There's a little fat running through, but not enough that you want to overcook them. All right, so let's get back to the video. All right, guys, so these steaks are on my charcoal grill. No griddle here today, folks. And these are not going to take long at all. Look at that. You see that crust that we're getting already? Yeah, that's exactly what we're looking for. You know the rule, so don't move. Leave it alone. Okay, so our steak is done. It's nice and juicy. I'm going to cut this at an angle. Now, you may not know, but the grain of a flat iron steak on that is beautiful. Beautiful medium. Nice and pink in the center. So the grains of a flat iron steak run like this. So you don't want to cut them straight across. And if you do, you just want to make sure you do it at very thin cuts. So you want to make sure you have a nice thin knife. You want to make sure you have a nice sharp knife, and you just want to make nice cuts going right across. Look at that. Now today I'm going to assemble a lovely steak salad that this is going to go right on top. Have some baby arugula. So I'm going to keep slicing. I just want to show you a piece of this up close before we assemble. Look at this, guys. Look how tender. Look at that. I tasted it. Really good. So I'm going to keep slicing. And when I come back, you know what's next. The taste. Okay guys, so this steak salad is done. This flat iron steak with my, let me tell you what's in this bowl, y'all. So I have some fingerling potatoes that I did right on in the air fryer. A little olive oil, salt and pepper. We have some beefsteak tomatoes, just seasoned with a little olive oil, lemon, salt and pepper. And these are, let me see if I can show you one. These green beans are haricot vert string beans that Dennis dressed for me in a little shallot, white wine vinegar, and they are amazing. They're so good. I made a chimichurri dressing. Look out for that recipe. And that's what's topping the steak. It is amazing. It's so good. And for a hot day like today, it is perfect. Perfect for today. Guys, if you're not a subscriber, trying to chew. If you're not a subscriber, make sure you subscribe. Drop me some comments down below. Let me know how I'm doing. And guys, make this recipe. You won't regret it. So good. Let's try some potato. And then I'll let you go. It's so good. This dressing is worth it. Just for, get yourself a blender and make this dressing with the arugula, the parsley. It's so good. All right, guys, that's it for me. Till next time.